Most people get this wrong when they open Bigo Live. They think it is just another app where you go live and money starts flowing instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. Without understanding how the system actually works, most beginners earn almost nothing and quit within days. In this video, you will learn exactly how Bigo Live works in 2026, how people actually earn from it, and what steps you need to follow if you want to avoid wasting time. And more importantly, you will understand what is realistic, so you don't fall for fake expectations. Let's start with the basics. Bigo Live is a live streaming platform where creators go live, build an audience, and receive virtual gifts from viewers. These gifts can later be converted into real money. But here's the problem most beginners face. Getting viewers is the hardest part, not going live. Now here's where it gets interesting. Earnings are not based on watching videos or passive tasks. Everything depends on engagement. That means your personality, consistency, and ability to keep people watching matter more than anything else. So how do people actually earn? First, you need to set up your profile properly. A clear profile picture, a simple bio, and a niche. For example, someone like Alex who streams gaming will grow differently from John who does singing or casual chatting. Picking a direction helps the algorithm understand who to show your content to. Second, you need consistency. This is where most people fail. They go live once or twice, see no results, and stop. But successful users treat it like a schedule. Even 30 to 60 minutes daily can build momentum over time. Third, engagement is everything. You must talk, react, and interact with viewers constantly. The longer people stay in your live room, the more visibility the algorithm gives you. And in a minute, here's the key detail most beginners miss. Gifts usually come after trust is built, not in the first stream. Now, let's talk about earnings reality. Some users earn a few dollars a day, while experienced creators with strong audiences can earn significantly more. But there are no guarantees. And it is not instant income. The smartest way to approach Bigo Live is to treat it like skill building, not quick money. Learn communication, audience building, and consistency first. Earnings come after. To summarize, Bigo Live can pay users, but only when used correctly. Success depends on consistency, engagement, and patience. If you treat it seriously, you can grow. If you expect fast money, you will likely be disappointed. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video, share your experience in the comments, and subscribe for more clear, honest app reviews like this.